Hello everyone, we the people here, a private entity, speaking on behalf of the public. I am not a lawyer and I am not giving legal advice. However, I will be stating fact. The legal system of Canada, the United States, Australia, and a few other smaller countries is common law. We will be discussing common law in this video. Common law is also known as case law, and precedent is the term for previously filed cases that must be upheld as law. When the highest judge or a federal judge in a court of jury, as we are all entitled to under our Constitution, which is a document that we the people gave to the government as a restriction on their rights. If you watched my previous video, then you know this. However, getting back on subject, if a federal judge decides that you do not need a driver's license to operate a form of conveyance, be it a carriage or an automobile, which is your private property, then you do not need insurance, you do not need a driver's license, and you also do not need to identify yourself, because under common law, unless you are harming someone, then there is no crime being committed, and if you are not harming someone's property, then there is no right for them to ask you for your identification. One good move would be to go ahead and surrender your state driver's license unless you do commerce, be it driving big trucks on the highway every day, or as a taxi driver or an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. You are drivers. However, if you are just wanting to travel, you do not need a state license. You could just as easily get a common law ID and be protected under common law based on cases that were in our favor. These court cases must be held up and cannot be overturned because they are fact. They are jury's decision. As you can see, a common law legal system is a legal system that gives great presidential weight to common law. That doesn't make much sense if you don't know exactly what it is, as I do. Common law is law developed by judges, courts, and similar tribunals stated in decisions that nominally decide individual cases, but that in addition have precedential effect on future cases. Once it has been decided, it is decided and it cannot be overturned. That is common law. Congress is to a point where they believe that they can make any law that they want. However, in our Constitution, as we the people serve to the government as a restriction on their authority, they have no right to infringe our Second Amendment. They have no right to infringe our right to travel. Our right to travel has been protected by the 6th article of the Constitution of the United States of America. The only thing that we sovereign people of the land of North America believe is the same that the Indians believe, and that is that our rights cannot be infringed, shall not be infringed, as is stated. Thank you all for watching. This is again We the People, and I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Please subscribe, leave a like, and tell your friends about the videos. There will be many more coming. All very informative, and you will learn about promissory notes, where this country came from, and exactly what our framers or our forefathers wanted for this country. I will also be including how exactly the government has tricked each and every one of us, we the people, into not being people but persons. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.